Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to attach a file to an email in Outlook, step by step. Whether it's a document, a photo, this guide will make the process super easy. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. Alright, let's dive right in. Step 1. First, open Outlook on your computer. Once it's open, click on New Email to start composing your message. This will bring up a blank email where you can fill in your recipient's address, subject line, and message. Step 2. To attach a file, first click Insert, then look for the paperclip icon at the top of the message window. This is the universal symbol for attachments. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. Select Browse this PC if the file is saved on your computer. Step 3. A File Explorer window will pop up, showing the files on your computer. Navigate to the location where your file is stored. Once you've found the file you want to attach, click on it and hit Open. The file will now appear as an attachment in your email. And that's it! You've successfully attached a file or folder to your email in Outlook. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.